Take up space. You belong here. I know there are people who like to try and make you feel insignificant or like you don't matter, and they try to take up your space. I know there are people who like to try and consume your power as if it is their own, but your power is your own. You have a right to exist. Breathe deeply. Speak firmly, loudly if you need to. Stand tall and sit wide. Take up space. Let your being emanate throughout the ethers because you exist. You are here. There was space allotted to you upon your conception and even more given to you after your birth. You matter because you are made of matter, and matter takes up space. It's science, baby. You belong here. You have a space that belongs to you. So take it. Take up space.